Hi. Do you have problems pronouncing k and g clearly? Not sure? Well, let's try this test. Can you clearly say, Guy scratched his black brogues on the craggy rocks? Maybe some room for improvement. So today I'm going to show you how to get the two sounds k and g right. Oh, and today we're talking about the hard G sound that often comes before vowels A, O, U or a consonant, and not the soft G as in the word ginger. And for today's lesson, you'll need the following equipment: mouth, tongue, and breath, and 2 fingers. Hopefully you've got all those, so come on, let's start. Still with me? Good, because I've got some great ways to help you. Before we start practicing any sounds, let's just stretch those mouth muscles and wake up that tongue. After all, you wouldn't do normal exercise without stretching out first. Ready? Waggle that tongue. Now push it round the inside of your mouth. Great! Now open your mouth as wide as you can. Good! Your mouth should be nice and relaxed and ready to learn. To make the k and g sounds, the airflow in your mouth is blocked by raising the back of your tongue and holding it for a short moment against the soft palate. This allows a build-up of air pressure just before you move your tongue away, and the sound is released with a small pop, like this. K, g. Don't worry if you can't find the exact place in your mouth to put your tongue, as I'll be showing you some short practice exercises that will help you. Actually, if you make the sounds with your eyes closed, it helps you feel exactly where you block and release the airflow. K, g. Got that? Not quite. So let's try this exercise with your mouth and tongue. Notice how the sounds take your tongue from the front of your mouth to the back. Like this. P, B, T, D, K, G. Say them with me. Here we go. P, B, T, D, K, G. Okay, so now we know that both k and g sounds are created by a build-up of air that you release with a pop when you take your tongue away from your soft palate. But what's the difference between the two sounds, k and g? Well, you'll like the answer to this one, because it's easy. The answer is k is unvoiced and g is voiced. Tongue placement is exactly the same for both sounds. So the best way to learn the difference is practice. And practice with your fingers in your ears, like this. I want you to start by saying unvoiced sounds going from the front of your mouth to the back, using either your lips or tongue to block and release the air. Ready? Copy me and remember these are unvoiced. First, put your fingers in your ears to check you're not voicing them. There should be no sound in your ears for these unvoiced consonants. P, T, Ch, K. Do it again. P, T, Ch, K. Did you notice how your tongue moved further back each time? Now try these voiced sounds. This time you should be able to hear the sound in your ears. Ready? B, D, J, G. Do it with me. B, D, J, G. Did you notice again how your tongue moved further back each time? Now I want you to say unvoiced k, k, and voiced g, g. Fantastic! Now let's help you improve with this minimal pair practice. Repeat after me and say out loud. Course, gorse, clock, clog, goat, coat, could, good, Greek, creek. Now try these practice sentences. Remember, it's important to try and imitate me. So listen to me say the sentence, then you copy me out loud, as you learn so much faster that way. Today, I want you to clean the kitchen. Take the dog for a walk. Cut the grass. Dig the garden. Close the gate. And don't break any glasses in the kitchen. Now, try this one. I usually have granary toast and a cup of coffee for breakfast. I have a snack at break time with another cup of coffee, a glass of water with my gourmet lunch, cream of garlic soup, a cup of tea and a slice of cake at 3 o'clock, a lager when I get home from work, and a cup of chamomile tea before going to bed. How was that? Good? Okay, well, off you go, but keep practicing. Go to my playlist here. Until next time. Yeah, you've got it. Love and peace.